Hey there, pool owners. Ever wondered how to take a proper water sample from your pool? You're in the right place. Let's walk through the simple steps to ensure your pool water is always in great shape. First, you'll need a clean plastic container. Make sure it's free from any residues or contaminants. This is important because any foreign substances can skew your test results. Head over to your pool and find a spot away from the skimmer and return jets. These areas can give you a false reading because the water there is constantly moving and might not represent the overall pool chemistry. Next, dip your container about elbow deep into the water. This is roughly 18 inches below the surface. This depth gives you a more accurate sample of the pool's water, avoiding any surface contaminants. Let the container fill up completely, then bring it back up. Make sure to cap it tightly if your container has a lid. You don't want any air or debris getting in there before you test it. And there you have it. You've got your pool water sample. Now you can take this sample to your local pool store or use a home testing kit to check for pH levels, chlorine, alkalinity, and more. Remember, keeping your pool water balanced is key to a safe and enjoyable swimming experience. Regular testing helps prevent issues like algae growth, cloudy water, and even skin irritation. So next time you're wondering how to take a pool water sample, just follow these simple steps. Your pool will thank you. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like for more pool care tips. Thanks for watching and stay on top of your pool with the latest information here at My Water, Earth and Sky. Remember that a great-looking and well-balanced swimming pool can give your family hours of fun this summer.